grade 5 girls, open up your books. Please turn to page number 643. Everyone, page 643. Please carefully listen to me. Do you know what is a triangle? If I ask, what is a triangle? Tina, how many sides triangle have?
Mr. Lagging.
I'm sorry.
Mr. Lagging. We can't understand anything you're saying. Miss Visual. Something like that.
A moment, girls. It will be better. I said, girls, I said, now can you hear me? Or still I am lagging?
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
All right.
No, you're good. No, you're not.
Okay. So I said, I asked Tina, how many sides triangle have? Okay. Anyways, everyone knows that a triangle have 3 sides. All right. And here, if you're classifying triangles, we will learn now triangles with different names. The triangles have different names. If you look closely at the Epcot Center Spaceship Earth building in Florida, you may see patterns of triangles. The triangle outlined in the pattern at the right has 3 congruent sides. When I say the word congruent, what did I teach you? When I say the word congruent, that means I'm saying
that means it has
equal sides.
Equal sides.
Yani the length is equal and the angle are equal sides, and even angles are equal. Same angles and same sides. Okay, this means congruent. And 3 acute angles. What type of triangle is outlined? Now, girls, you need to know, there is no need to hurry up writing. You need to know when it is called equal. Equilateral comes with the word equal. Equilateral means they will have 3 equal sides. See here? 3 equal sides. Do you see here? 3 equal sides.
Yes.
This is called as equilateral triangle. They have 3 congruent sides. Okay? A right triangle has 90 degrees. Girls, give me 1 second. An equilateral triangle has all sides must be equal. When you see the word right, girls, if I say you straight right, sit right, sit straight. How do you sit? You sit exactly, like L shape. Remember, because when I was young, my teacher said, right is this, straight. Right means it has to be straight line with L shape. The L can be this way and the L can be this way. Anyway, so this is called a right triangle. When you see a straight line with an L shape, this is called a right triangle, which is 90 degrees. Remember this, girls. One angle has to be 90 degrees. It is called a right triangle. Do you understand this? Girls.
Like, can you say it again?
I will say it again. Like example, I'll show you on the right side. Anytime they ask you, make a right triangle. Right. The word right means you are sitting straight. Right. That means, remember, it has to be always L. Always has to be L, this shape.
So like it has to have like a L shape kind of
Yes.
thing?
It has to like have from one of the sides that it has
to
an
have
L shape.
L. Yes, and that will be always 90 degrees. That will be always
90 degrees.
Always 90 degrees.
Oh.
And if it is 90 degrees, it is called a right triangle. Right triangle.
Miss, but how do we know if it's 90 degrees or if it's like 70 or like...
My dear, 90 degrees is always right, straight like L.
L shape.
Ah, okay. Now, when you close this L shape, I'm sorry, like example, I try to close this. You know, this is like something,
Okay.
this is less than 90. If I like to open my L shape more, this is called more than 90. Now you get it? Do you get it? Idea? I don't know exactly.
Yes.
It might be 50, it might be 40. It might
Like if it's
70,
like
but it
this.
is less than 90. I will say you. You know the beak mouth,
If it's like this, it's like
the bird beak.
more than...
You know the bird beak? The bird's beak.
Yes.
How it is?
Yes.
It's always less than 90. It is this way. It's always, the bird beak is always less than 90. This is the less than 90.
Bird.
You open it. When you open this 90 degrees, you stretch it. So this is always more than 90. Did you understand? See the L. If it is exactly L, it is 90. If it is close, it is less than 90. If it is open, it is more than 90. I'm sure I'm very clear in this now.
Yeah.
Okay. Now coming here. So this is equilateral triangle. If three sides are equal, equilateral triangle. If two sides are equal, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. If it is exactly 90 degrees, right triangle. If it is less than 90, all, you know, this is beak shape. This is beak shape. All are less than 90. See? See, it is beak shape, beak, open beak, I mean a closed triangle. So this is acute. I used to remember, oh, cutie pie, cute, is very small like that. Understood? Cute, acute is always, they have three angles and they have actually three acute angles, means they have less than 90. All less than 90 means acute. If all less than 90.
Like when it's all less than 90, all the angles are less than 90, it's called acute angle.
Acute triangle. Acute. Okay.
And when it's like not all of them
Nancy,
are the
now
same
what is,
angle.
yes, one minute,
like
Tala. What is the difference between these two? Here they are talking about sides. Like all the sides are equal. One line, one line, one line. This is called equilateral triangle. Two sides are equal and one is like 3 and 3 and one is 2. It is called as isosceles triangle. Please, girls, try to understand this. I'm going to give you this lesson as a graded lesson in your homework next week. And you will get marks for that. I'll give us homework, but we'll solve marks as quiz mark. So please try to score it. All, yani full mark.
Okay, it's easy. It's an easy lesson, I mean.
It's an easy lesson if you understand.
Yeah, yeah. I kind of got it. Like, got it, but like...
All right, wait a minute. Now, if they don't have any sides are equal, 3, 5, 4. Do you see any sides they are equal? 3, 5, 4, they are all different.
No.
Alien triangle. Two sides are equal. Isosceles triangle. Three sides are equal. Equilateral triangle. 90, right triangle. Less than 90, all of them, acute triangle. More than 90, I told you, open up. This is called, even at least one is more than 90. At any one from three angles is more than 90, it is called obtuse. Obtuse. Like you have juice, you have tuse. Obtuse. Did you get this?
Yes.
Everyone? Three.
Yes.
Good. Write down now.
Yes.
You all write down? Finish writing?
Yes.
Okay. Everything here? Can I come down?
Yes.
Now
Yes.
look at this. Why it is scalene? Because 9, 14, and 15. All are different. It is called as scalene. And look at the angles. All are less than 90. It is called acute. You know, if you want, you just write down here. Less than 90. Less than 90. It's called acute. 90, it's called right. More than 90, it's called obtuse. Do you understand this, girls? Please, please, please tell me. All sides are equal, equilateral, and acute. Now you'll say me, teacher, angles are not given. How do I know this is acute? You know, it is all closed beaks. Can you see all closed beaks? Like beaks.
Mm-hmm.
You don't have open. This is closed.
Yes.
Acute and isosceles.
Yeah.
Isosceles because two are same and one is different. Because two are same and one is different. Coming to this picture, why obtuse? Who will tell me why this is obtuse? Because you have open. See how it is open? This is not closed. A big mouth. Open mouth, right?
Oh.
Obtuse.
Yeah.
Now this sign.
This is all right because it's
Yeah.
basically
This
an
sign.
L shape.
This sign when you see, anytime if you see this L, you will say right triangle. And why scalene? All three are different. Here, one line, two line, and three line. This is called scalene. Here, two sides are same, and one is not same, isosceles. Hope you get it, girls. You have to, you have to have a table where you write everything, and then you have to check and do it.
Okay.
All right, now. This is not there in your book. Please, can you just take a picture? Or a screenshot? Anyways, I will mail you. I'll mail your father or mother. I mean, I'll mail your parents. Okay. That's it. Now, go to page number.
I took a screen.
Yes. Leave this page. Directly go to page number 645. Now, all less than 90, acute. All are different, scalene. All are same, equilateral, acute. Even this is acute, and you have two same and one different, isosceles. Now, sides. Two are same, isosceles. 126, it's more than 90, obtuse. More than 90, obtuse. Scalene because all are different. I hope you're getting this. Please write it down and let me know if you don't get it. Please write it down now and let me know if you
Yes, I don't understand.
Which one? Which one you don't understand? Who is this girl?
Yuri.
Jury?
Yes.
Jury, listen to me. I told you, see these lines. Which lines you will see? These lines. One.
The small one.
All are same. That means it is called as equilateral. Now, do you know the shape of the beak? It has to be this way, right?
Yes.
So if you see the shape of the beak, that means it is acute. Even this is shape of beak, acute. This is shape of beak. Now, when I see the obtuse, it will be open. Is the shape of beak so big? It is like open mouth. This is obtuse. More than 90. This is obtuse. Like see, here it is more than 90 degrees. See here, yeah, jury. This is more than 90 degrees. 126 means more than 90. It is called obtuse. Check here. Any one of them more than 90? Yes. This is more than 90. That means obtuse. If all are less than 90, it is called as acute. Do you understand? Why this is isosceles? Because 3.5, two sides are equal. When two sides are equal, it is called as isosceles. When all three sides are different, it is called as scalene. I will write down for you here. Two sides are equal. And in this question, all sides are different. Okay? Now did you get it here? Jury?
Kinda.
Jury, see, okay. Still, if you don't get it, let us go to white page and I'll explain you here. See, jury, you have a table here. I'll write down. Okay, I'll make a table for you so that it's very easy for you. If you see two sides, if you see two sides are equal, you can take a screenshot later. Sides equal. It's called as scalene. What is it called as? Sorry, isosceles. Isosceles. If three sides are not same, all three sides are different. If it is, it's called as scalene. Did you understand these two? Less than 90 degrees. Acute. More than 90 degrees. Obtuse. Equal to 90. Right. Now, if you want, you can even draw the shape here. See, right means it has to be exactly L, exactly L. And you will always see this kind of angle in the right. More than 90 will be always such kind. Open, open. And less than 90 will be always close. Okay, now did you get a little bit here, Judy? Apply this table on the question. Take a picture. Did you all take?
Okay, I took a picture.
طيب خلاص. Now come back to the page and see if you have completed this. Okay, Jury, listen to me. I will try to do with you. Jury,
Yes.
tell me the sides. 3.5, 6.2, 3.5. How many sides are equal here? There are three sides. 3.5 centimeters.
Oh, 3.5.
Yeah, there are two sides, right? There are two sides.
Yes.
3.5. Yani there are two sides. Third side is different. So if two sides are equal, it is called as isosceles. Always. Now here, in the angles, do you see any number more than 90?
Yes, 120.
Yes. If you see even one number more than 90, it is called obtuse. If all less than 90, if it's like 27, 27, 27, it is called acute. Okay. Now 2, 5, 8. 2, 5, and 3. Is anything same here, Jury?
No.
That means it is scalene. If two are same, it is called isosceles. If all are different, it is called scalene. Now check the angles. Anything more than 90?
160.
So your answer has to be obtuse. Now did you get it, Jury?
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. Others, did you all finish writing?
Yes.
Yes.
Come here to this question. Two same side. If it is two same side, congruent means same. So it is called as isosceles and acute. Isosceles.
I put it acute, but I didn't know that I need to put also a sauce. I saw.
Because it said that it is two same side.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now girls, take a paper, draw for me right triangle, draw acute and draw obtuse and show it to me. Come on, quickly. I will help you here. This is called a right triangle. Everyone. Straight line. I want with the scale, not with this. With the ruler. This is called the right triangle. And simple. This is called anyway, it's not exactly how I do. It has to have three shapes. One is the right, and one is with the open side, like this, how I made. So this is the right one. This is the right triangle. This is the acute triangle. And this is called the obtuse. Okay? That's it. Do this, and when you have done it, you can leave, girls, then.